Hello there, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will compare two softwares that is Server SEO and Clearscope. By the way, links are in the description, make sure to check them out. Firstly, if we talk about Server SEO, so there we have four products that is Server AI, Keyword Research, Content Editor and Audit. Then we have free tools that is Keyword Server Extension and AI Outline Generator. Now, if we talk about resources, so there we have integrations from Surfer API, Jasper, WordPress, Google Doc, and Contentful. Now, if we talk about the Surfer pricing, so there we have the essential plan, which is for $89. Then we have the scale one, which is for $129. Then we have scale AI, which is for $219. And the last one, enterprise, is for $400 per month. Now, if we compare it with ClearScope, so in ClearScope, we have content optimization, then we have content briefs, which provide detailed content briefs, then we have integration, where you can integrate from different platforms like WordPress, Google Docs, and other. ClearScope have user-friendly interface and collaboration features, which can be useful for teams working and content projects together. Now, if we talk about which one is better, so Surfer SEO might be better if you are looking for a comprehensive SEO tool that covers various aspects, and Clearscope might be preferable if you are primarily focused on content optimization and want a tool that provides detailed content briefs and integrates well with your content creation workflow. Now, if you talk about their pricing plan, so the essential one is start from $200, then the business one is for $600, and obviously you can customize the enterprise one. Ultimately, the better tool depends on your specific SEO and content optimization needs. It might be helpful to try both tools if possible, taking advantage of any trial period to see which aligns more closely with your workflow and produces the results you are looking for. So, thank you for watching. Bye.